Hazrat Nauman bin Bashir radiyallahu anhu, pointing towards his ears with his two fingers, said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, lawful is evident as well as unlawful is evident, and in between them there are some dubious things which most of the people do not know. So whoever eschews the dubious matters has secured his religion and honor, but whoever opts dubious matters has got indulged in unlawful matters, like a shepherd who grazes the cattle around the boundaries of a pasture. It is very likely that those animals will graze in that pasture too. Hearken, every king has a limit of his preserve, and remember, the preserve of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu are the things declared forbidden by Him. And hearken, in the body there is a piece of flesh. When it is in sound condition, the whole body remains sound. But if it gets spoilt, the whole body gets spoilt. Hearken, that is the heart. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4070.